Hi YouTubers, let's get cooking. They chopped up the ham and onion and mushroom is also in there, and then I put in some frozen peas and frozen corn. Right, I'm frying the potatoes. I forgot I fried the potatoes. This is why I do these videos, because I forget. So I did a splash of oyster sauce, and I sprinkled some garlic granules. Normally I would do a proper raw garlic and do quite a few cloves crushed and chopped, but I don't have any proper garlic at the moment, so I just use these garlic granules sprinkled on top. The goreng flavouring, which is onion seasoning, sesame oil, soy sauce and sweet chili sauce, if you don't want to get one of those noodles to get the seasoning. We often have a lot of those seasonings left over because we might do two noodles together and only put one of the seasonings in. Actually, I don't normally do it with peas and corn, I remembered, but as soon as I mentioned peas and corn, I'm going to do it with peas and corn. And then you just need to blend all the flavourings in and cook the flavourings in. And you just fry everything together. You can fry the onion and the ham and the mushrooms first. You obviously need to get the carrots and the celery in fairly early to make it nice and crispy, but not. You don't need to overcook. You can eat raw carrot and raw celery, so you don't need to go mad cooking that in. In fact, the less you cook it, the more nutrients you'll get out of it. So, like I said, as I put the fried potato in the bottom of the dish, I salted that with pink Himalayan salt, but you know, whatever salt you like. So that goes in the bottom of the dish. The stir-fry stuff goes on top, and kimchi on top of that, and that's the meal. I'm also doing a fruit salad for afters, so I've got some fresh blueberries. It's a tin of fruit salad, and I'm going to put kefir on top of that. Oh, I got my finger over it. And that's going to be afters with a coffee, or ham and celery stir fry, and it's so delicious that we end up overeating it. Like, really, that should be 4 meals, but we end up getting second. A lot of the meals I do are just fry ups, you know, stick everything in a pan and fry it up, and it's a good idea to do the onions and the mushrooms and the meat first. And then you can also add like tomato to it if you wanted to make it a bit wetter. You could add a tin of tomato to it. We just eat it like this and just put some kimchi on top. You could do it with the rice instead of the potato.